In this video, we will go over how to set up a recurring Zoom meeting for your course. To get started, click on the course where you want to create a Zoom meeting. For this example, I'm going to create a Zoom meeting for my Academy course. From inside the course, on the left side, in the class navigation, the course navigation, find Zoom link. If you do not see the Zoom link, it is most likely because it has not been activated. To do so, click on Settings and then click on the Navigation tab to find all of the navigation items available. Zoom is most likely in the Disabled section. Find Zoom in the Disabled section and then move it to the Active or Enabled section, and then click on Save. You will now see Zoom in the Active section of your course navigation. Click on the Zoom link. If an overlay comes up, you can hide it by clicking the arrow. And now we are ready to set up a Zoom meeting. Click Schedule a New Meeting. For this, it's going to be important to give a very clear title to students so they know which meeting to join. It's going to be even more important to do so in courses where you have multiple sections. So for this example, I'm going to call it my Academy course regular class meeting. And instead of giving it any date or any time, because I plan on using this exact Zoom meeting over and over again to meet with my students on all the Academy course days, I'm going to set it as a recurring meeting, which you find under the time zone. And instead of it recurring any particular time, I'm going to say that it has no fixed time. And then all other requirements that we have gone over for Zoom meeting apply here. Remember to enable the waiting room. This is important. Waiting room should always be enabled. Host and participant camera, you can leave that on. Everyone can turn the camera off if desired. And mute participants upon entry. This will be helpful so that students are not speaking over each other when they start a meeting. When you click Save, you will now see a Zoom meeting in your course if you click on the Zoom link again. Notice I have one Academy course regular class meeting that shows up and it's a recurring that has no specific time. If I had given it a specific time and specific recurrence days, for example, meets every Monday, it would create multiple sessions in here and it would look quite busy with lots and lots of meetings. Now, to share this meeting link with students during the first week of school, it'll be important to get this join URL, highlight it, copy it. You can do Command C or Control C, or right click on it and copy link location. This link you should include in your email to students. This is how you set up a recurring meeting inside Zoom. Hope that was helpful.